So I got a problem. Our new mitzvah mobile here won't start. Something's wrong. The battery might be dead. Normally people call AAA, but I happen to be in Lakewood, New Jersey, a religious Jewish community, and they have another option here. You could always call Chaverim. Chaverim is a volunteer organization that will come to help a fellow out. A chaver means a friend. I called them about a minute ago. Let's see how long it takes for them to show up. It's exactly 16 minutes, and it looks like Chaverim just showed up. What do you think, Doc? Is there hope? Look at that. The car is running. It's a miracle. This guy, I don't even know who he is. He just came and boosted my car, and he's going to just disappear. Can I ask you a quick question?
Sure.
Why do you do this? Seriously.
Help people out.
Do you work? Do you have a job?
Yeah.
So you work, you have a family, and you just help people in need.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.